This is David from The Nude Window, and I'm going to teach you how to measure for a curtain. The first thing to do before measuring for a curtain is to have a good look at the window, to decide where the curtain will hang from and to make sure there is nothing that will interfere with the curtain, like a radiator or inbuilt furniture. Once you have decided on the placement, it's time to take some measurements. For this you will need a metal tape measure, pen and paper, and a step ladder. Start by measuring the width of where you want the curtain to start and end. In this case, we will measure from wall to wall. Remember to always take your measurements in millimeters. Once you have the full wall-to-wall measurement, be sure to take 20 millimeters off. This allows for the track to fit comfortably. For a standard window, measure the width of the window and add 150 millimeters to each side. This minimizes light bleed when closed and allows the curtain to open wider, letting extra light into your room. Now it's time to measure the drop. It's up to your personal preference where the curtain starts and finishes. You must allow at least 120 millimeters above the window. This is the required spacing for a wall mount bracket. We suggest a clearance of 15 millimeters from the floor. This prevents the curtain from dragging. It is important to measure in at least 3 locations and always use the shortest measurement, as not all floors are perfectly level. For a ceiling mounted curtain, simply measure from the ceiling to the desired drop. Again, we suggest a clearance of 15 millimeters from the floor. Now that you have your width and drop measurements, you are ready to place your order.